Morning to everyone. Uh, Hello viewers. In my series of discussion, today once again I am making discussion on stock market and with a specific stock. Earlier also I have made discussion on a lot of stocks like Aircon International, Syncom Pharma, Tech Solutions, and many stocks. Apart from that, I have made discussion on basics of stock market, then advanced strategy. What are the uh, three skills which you have to develop? Which I will once again repeat that. Uh, which stock to buy, that we have to be very particular. When to buy, that is when to entry, and when to sell, that is when to exit. These three things we have to be very well skilled. We should possess for this. And in addition, and many advanced strategy like demand and supply. We should make a demand zone, that is when this big institutions, domestic institution, FIs, they buy at a price when came down, and we also mark a supply zone when it price is at a higher level, when this uh, financial institution, domestic HNI, they sold, which is called distribution phase, and demand, which is called accumulating phase. So we should try to take entry on those levels and sell at higher level, that is at demand supply zone. So these all things I have discussed. Now come to the today's discussion, which is on very specific stock, that is G Media Corporation Limited. It is a penny stock. It come under sector media sector. The PE ratio is 7.13, whereas sectoral PE is 26.24. Now the today's price of the stock is 9 rupees 35 paisa. It is continuously in buyer freeze for the last 1 week. It is completely in buyer freeze. I have recommended this stock approximately 3-4 months back also. That time it was around 540 550 like that. But after that it is now on higher side, and it is just on 52-week high. Every day it is making buyer freeze. The volume is 55 lakh 9,798. If we take the average volume of last 20 days, it comes 34 lakh 79,000. And if we take 20 days delivery, 20 days delivery, which comes 17 lakh 71,146. So we can say that almost the 50 percentage, the delivery percentage, it is a very good. And now 52-week high low, that I have already told, that it is in the everyday higher level. It is 935 and low is 4.25. Market cap is 440 crore. Book value of the share is 7.75. Price to book value ratio is 1.21. Dividend yield no record. P/C ratio is 2.68. Now come to the advanced chart. If we see, it is a daily chart, and I have already told कि it was around 5 rupees in almost December to December month. After that it gradually increased and remained at 550 and made a high of 750. Again it was make low in February, and it was quoting around 5. After that again it touched 7 and remained for few days in 7 to 6.50 range. After that again it touched a low in April month when it comes 6 rupees. After that it remains in the range of 650 to 6 around April to May. After that, if you see from May, it is continuously on higher side. If you see the May beginning, it was around 6.50 and now it is 9.35. So we can say that in only in a span of 15 days, it has made a high. It has the growth is more than 50%. So it is a very nice growth from 6 to 935, almost 50% growth is there. And from that I told from 5 it has 935, so almost it will be double. If it in few days it will be double from if you take from December level. So we can see that really the stock is in upper side and making higher high. And now come to the short analysis, that is strength, weaknesses, opportunity and threat. So what are the strengths? Let us see. Rising net cash flow and cash from operating activity. New 52-week highs had made. Next is a bullish reversal. Next is effectively using its capital to generate profit. ROCE is improving in last 2 years. Next strength is growth in net profit with increasing profit margin quarter to quarter. Company with low debt. Another strength is increasing profit every quarter for the past 4 quarters. Now next strength is increasing revenue every quarter for the past 2 quarters. And that company is able to generate net cash, improving net cash flow for last 2 years. Now stock gained more than 20% in 1 month, and strong momentum, price above short, medium and long term moving average. Now let us see weaknesses. What are the weaknesses? Companies with growing cost year to year for long term projects, inefficient use of shareholders fund, return on equity declining in the last 2 years, inefficient use of assets to generate profits, return on assets declining in the last 2 years, red flag downgrade by a credit rating agency. Another weakness is annual net profit declining for last 2 years. Now book value per share deteriorating for last 2 years. And the most important weakness is companies with high promoter pledge. Now see there are some opportunities also. Profit making company with high ROCE and low PE, and rising delivery percentage compared to previous day and month, strong volumes and strong delivery percentage, positive breakout, second resistance, last traded price is greater than resistance 2. Then another opportunity is highest recovery from 52-week low, that I have already told. It was around 5 and now it is 10. Almost it will be double in few days because today's price is 9.35. Stock with low PE is less than 10. Now there's what are the threats? Let us see. There is no threats for this stock. It's a very good symptom. Now see some MC strengths. What are the MC strengths, MC insights? This is strong performer, stock with consistent financial performance, quality management, and strong technical momentum, indicating good investor enthusiasm. Currently valued at good to expensive valuation. Now come to the price. Price momentum that the price is above short, medium, and long term moving average. It's a very good symptom, because if you see 5 days, 20 days, 50 days, 100 days, all the price is above long term moving average. It is 121.88% away from 52-week low that I have told. It is almost, it has made double. And now second is outperformers. G Media Corporation is up by 54.55%, whereas Nifty is up. Nifty is up only by 3.39% in last 1 month. That in last 1 month I have already told ki from 6 to 935 it has touched. And next is stock saw 10 number of large deals just today. So a lot of big deals has been made in this stock. Now see some financials, that is financial indicates average financials. Revenue growth is 11.2%. Net profit, operating profit 22.22%. Then come industrial comparison, that TTP ratio is above industry median. Market cap is above industry median. Price to book ratio is above industry median, and TT price equity growth ratio is above industry median. Now see some what are the shareholding patterns. So we see that promoters pledge remain unchanged at 99.55% of holding. In March 2021 quarter, promoters holding remained unchanged at 18.12% in March 2021 quarter. Mutual fund holding also remain unchanged. Number of mutual fund schemes remain unchanged. FI and FPI have increased holding from 11.16 to 10.22. Number of FI and FPI investors have decreased. Institutional investors were decreased holdings from 13.24 to 12.22% in March 2021 quarter. With all this, I have made a complete analysis of this stock because I've already told that it is a penny stock, and within a period of 4 to 5 months, it has made a jump of almost double, and in 1 month it has more than 50% it has. So we can see it is a good stock which can has a very good potential to grow further. With the stock analysis which I have made on G Media, I think is definitely of much use for you. It is my sincere advice that before investing you also make analysis from your end. With all this, I am making end of today's presentation. With all this, thank you very much.